Yo man, what's up? Welcome to another unboxing of HelloFresh. We got 3 meals here today, and maybe you'll have a pop-in visit from my puppy, which I've actually had for a while, but haven't put in a video yet. So let's get right to it. Okay. Oh wow. We got different packaging this time. Okay. We got the steelhead trout over basil parm risotto. Comes with veggie stock concentrate, arborio rice, lemon steelhead trout, garlic, grape tomatoes, basil parmesan cheese. Prep time 10 minutes, total time to cook 45 minutes including prep time, and is 880 calories per serving, and as always done in 6 steps. And that is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. We'll see how it goes. I don't think I've ever had trout. The steelhead trout. Some more, and this is servings for 4. Okay. Next, I've got lemon thyme, I don't know how to say it, pork. This one looks pretty good. It's got zucchini, thyme, pork cutlets, sour cream, lemon, jasmine rice, chicken stock concentrate, and garlic herb butter. Let's see. I think I felt Biscuit, my dog. Biscuit, what are you doing, boy? Okay. And then that looks like this, which I think looks amazing. Now let's get that on out. Okay, so I think I might just go ahead and try to get everything out of the box. Yeah, I had trouble getting some of it out for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, that's the last bag for the bean and rice dish. I'll tell you more about that in a second. Yeah, there's the pork I was trying to find. Yeah, I think all the dishes are basically between like 700 and 900 calories. Yeah, so that's a rice and bean dish with guacamole and that you make yourself, and an egg. As you'll see in a second here, it looks really good, and it was honestly my favorite dish out of the 3. There's Biscuit. I hope you think he's cute. Yeah, so there's the pork, there's the rice, there's the trout. Now, if you would, like the video and subscribe, and I hope you like my puppy.
Uh-huh.